It's me. Hello.
What's up?
Hi, Josh.
Hey. Look at me.
Ano natin, may mini fridge. Ay, bukas ang fridge natin, oh. Coffee, free coffee. With Ate Colleen and Joshua. Say hi. Ay, ay.
This chair will make me stop my villain heart. Why? I don't know, it just reminds me of this.
Hi, Josh. Hi. Hi there. Hi there.
No.
Hi, Josh. Hi. Hi there.
Okay, let me go by now.
Hi. Hi, Joshua. Hi, hi. Down. Yes, we're going down. Where's Joshua's car? Oh, that's Joshua's car. There. That's Joshua's car. Go. On the other side, yung isang elevator. Yeah, we're going down. Joshua. Oh, Chai, you need a key card. Chai, oh. Oh, key card para makapasok ka. Ah, here, ito. This one.
Which side?
Any side. Oh, then you open the door. Yeah. Let's go swim. You like it? There she is. Josh. Burrito. Joshua. Sige lang. Oh, tama na kuya. That's enough. That's enough. That's too much na eh. Oh, close mo na. Yan. And then flip mo. Hold here. And then yeah, turn. Yan. Yan. Oh, wow. Joshua, you're eating yogurt. Joshua.
I see Scarlet. I don't see Scarlet.
Yes.
Oh, you would rather.
Hi, JC Slay. Oh, get ready na. Get ready.
Can I open
Hi, Josh. Nasaan sa bag mo? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Are you okay?
Hello.
Bye.
Bye.
Open the blinds a little more.
Joshua. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Peekaboo. Good morning. Ay, silly bee. Ati! Hi, JC Slay. Good morning. Hey, Cookie Monster. Chai, doon kayo. Picture ko kayo doon sa may couch. Come on, Josh. Diyan ka, Chai, oh. Mabu ka. Ay! Ang taas ng legs. Joshua? Ay, no. Go down. Teka dito. Ay, no, that's not. Hold mo si Joshua, Choy. Hold Joshua.
My feet is gonna freeze because it's wet.
Oh, yeah, your slipper, it's wet. No, baka dala ni Daddy. Oh, come on, no, that's not our car. Come on, Joshua, come here. How did you know? Oh, yeah, look. It's sparkling shiny. Come on, Josh. Tingnan mo yung car mo, Josh. Oh, malinis. Daddy car, wash your car. Come on. Let's take a look at your car. Oh, parang hindi naman masyadong nalinis. A little bit lang. Look, it's clean. But not too shiny. That's your car. Yes, that's your car. Okay, let's go.
McDonald's?
You can go back. So,
Mother, open.
open it. You open it. One in here.
Yes. Mama?
Yes, Josh. You want to exercise? Ah. You want to sit there? Look, oh, there's a big mirror. Look. Yes. Oh, careful. That's heavy. Look, there's a big... Careful, that's heavy. Yeah, you can pull that. Oh, Josh, no, that's heavy.
Joshua, you're very small. You cannot do this.
I can give you... I know how. I don't know if this is really like this. I think this is like this.
Huh? Okay, I'm ending it now. Okay.
Tawag order ka natin. Price na. What's that? Start order. Go, start order. Large na. Large. 4 lang. 4. I like the Rocky Road.
And this for Joshua?
Yeah. And then Kentucky. Okay. And then, wait lang. Yeah, okay na yan. Add to bag. Oh. And then check out. Skip. Sige. JC's Lane.
I'll do you now.
JC's Lane na lang. Sige, next. 15. Ano, 10 custom ano. Go. What did you order?
Whatever that's called.
And it's big. Huh?
This, and that.
It's huge, eh? Okay, let's... Hello.
What's up, dog?
What's up, dog? What do you got, Chachay?
I have no idea.
Oh,
No.
here's the key card pala.
I have it in my
Oh, let's go.
Yay!
Wait for mommy. Let's get the view. Check the view there. Baka akala niya si kuya. Open the door, ate. Come on, Josh. Go.
Baby, yeah.
Oh. Someone might have closed the TV. You close it? Oh, sige. Oh, that's enough, Chai. Oh, careful. Oh, flip mo. There you go. Oh, Jayden, tayo ka. Bye, Josh! Bye, Josh! Bye! Have a good day! Bye, Nene! Hi, Josh! Tua! And Ati! Hi, Ati! Do you like your hair, Ati?